To get Spotify Premium without credit card, the first thing that you need to do is to press on your Spotify application. Afterwards, you will see there that there is a premium button. It means that your account is still not on premium. Now you can just go ahead and choose a premium plan would you like. Remember that you can upgrade your app or your account to the app itself. So what you need to do is to choose the right app first on your application of Spotify. Now afterwards, once you have already decided which plan would you like to choose, you can now go ahead to Google, Safari, or Chrome depending on the website would you like to choose and search for Spotify Premium. As for me, I will choose the Spotify Premium for students. And now you will see that students get 2 months of premium for 85 pesos with mobile and e-wallets, which this is also available in other countries. So the first thing that you need to do is click on Start and then sign in your Spotify account. Click on Next so that you can verify that you're a student. And now you can just go ahead and fill in the necessary details that has been given by the Spotify. Once you have already verified yourself, you can now go ahead and pay through the store or different convenience store without using credit card, just cash.